pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey gems! So guess what? Finally, the requested video. Karen, show us how to put on false lashes. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. And I open the Hank and Henry eyelash subscription box and show you what I got and show you how I cut the lashes, and I go through the process with you. And I do hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for clicking on it. I love you, my gems. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and say hello. Tell me like your favorite color if we haven't met yet. All right, guys, let's get right into this. Hi! So we are going to do some eyelashes. Yes, my Hank and Henry, the Makeup Institute. It came and it's like $23 a month and you get 3 pairs of lashes. And you guys are like, how come you don't show me how to put on lashes? I do in some videos, and other videos I do not. So we're going to put on eyelashes. What is this? Thank you. I've never gotten someone write thank you on there before. That's cute. Okay, so they always give you something else with it too. Either an eyeliner or lippy. Last month it was an eyeshadow. This is a highlight. Sun Stealth it's called. Look at that. Okay, let me just... Oh my god. Here, Jackson, because it's stealth. All right. Why? Why do I have a hard time getting these boxes open?
I can help you.
And you would think nothing would ever have fingerprints with the way it takes you to open these boxes. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's gorgeous. I'm not going to swatch it though, because I will put that in a giveaway. Definitely. Wow. Okay, okay, we could do this. Hi. All right, I need to put the box back. Okay, let's see. These are the first pair of lashes. Cubankia. I've gotten them before. I'm so excited. I'm trying to rip it open. Okay. That's the name of the lash. Oh, sorry. Throwing things at you. These are what they look like, and they always have these plastic containers so you can put them back. You can reuse lashes. You just have to take off the glue. And most lashes have to be cut. And while I'm at it, I might as well tell you guys, not every eyelash looks good with every eye look. Okay? Back. That's what that one says. More natural looking lash. Cut this plastic off of it so you can see better. Look at that. Okay. And the last one is Lalita. And I've gotten these before and I love them. They're amazing. I like all of these, actually. I think that this is a really good box. I look forward to getting it. Okay. Can you come out, please? Ooh. We're going to put on some eyelashes. Who have not worn eyelashes, false ones yet, or who has tried and failed miserably? I need to know, because I want to help you. Eyelashes stand out in pictures so much better when you have them longer and thicker. Okay. Here they are. Which ones do I want to do with this look? Okay, you know what? We've got that one, the one I just showed you, and we've got this one that looks similar to that, but these ones are thicker. Okay, so why don't we go with my least favorite, which are these. Okay, so you need a sharp scissor, preferably like an eyebrow one. Okay, when you take them out, you want to check to make sure they're bendy. So this way they conform to fit your eye. And then you want to check to see, I've put on mascara already, if I need to trim them. And I do, because they're hanging. If it's hanging, can't have that. Okay, so I have to go to the back, which is this part here, and my nicotine. Okay, do you see what I'm doing here? I'm going to take this tiny little part right off at the seam, and we are good to go. And then you can go back and measure it again if you have to. All right, and you can also take the other one out at this time and make sure that you cut it the same way. Now, when you put eyelash glue on, you want to make sure that you put more on the ends because that's where it has a tendency to lift. And you never want to put straight on. How you have to have patience. I'm sorry. You've got to have patience. So you can take tweezers or those metal or plastic, these, whatever you're comfortable with. And you want to wait until it gets tacky. You can blow on it, but it'll start to change color when it starts to dry. And I'll show you that in a second. I love the way eyelashes look. It just takes your look to a whole nother level. I've been saying that a lot lately, but it's true. And I'm in the middle of doing the Boxycharm video on this, but I wanted to stop because I wanted to show you guys the subscription, but I also wanted to show you how to put them on. See how it's changing? Okay, we are pretty much at the point. Now we want to make sure that there's nothing on, no glue on here so it doesn't stick off. And I have so much in my way right now. We want to put the eyelash down in the middle, okay? You can use your fingers to do this if you want, and then follow it along the line of your lashes and then press it with your finger. And you want to make sure it's laying right on top of your natural lashes and so it doesn't separate. And you can press them together if you need to. That is how I do it. And voila! Huge difference. Okay, we're going to take out the other one. Here it is. Oh, you know what? Let me show you like this. There it is. And we clipped off that last part. This one looks like it's a little harder because it doesn't show a separation seam, but that's okay because I know exactly what part to cut off. Okay, same thing with the glue. Oops, I got some of the glue on a part of the lash I shouldn't have, and I'm going to show you that in a second. See? So what I'm going to do is I can either take a Q-tip or my fingers and wipe that off. And now I can put them on my tweezers and I can wait for it to get tacky. Do, 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 do. I like that highlight though. What do you guys think? I think we need to do a giveaway on that highlight. I've got so many highlighters. I feel like, why not share it? I want to put like makeup into the hands of everyone that does not have it or can't afford it or is going through a hard time or, you know, building your collection, because once you get into this, you need certain things, you know? See how it's like dried down? And I start in the middle. And then you can take the tweezer and take it down to the edge. And then take the tweezer and put it where it's supposed to be. And then take your finger and go over it. Now my other one's already dry. But I like to make sure this follows my lash line completely, so you can't really, it doesn't look like I have false lashes on. I do not want it to look like I have false lashes on.
I should have let the glue dry just a tad bit more. So what I'm going to do is hold this in place for a few seconds.
And now we are good to go. So what do you guys think? Can you do it? I think you can totally do it. I don't usually use big scissors. I usually use really fine, small ones that cost me like $25, but I can't find them right now. But that is what lashes do. I love them. So I'm glad I was able to do this video for you. I know it's highly requested. So definitely put your comments, concerns, thoughts, opinions, questions down below, and I will read them and I will do my very best to answer them to help you with anything that you need. I love you guys so very much. I will see you all really soon in another video. Bye!